And guys, today we'll be installing a kiddie i9010 smoke alarm. It's made from kiddie. We'll be installing this in my closet. See what happens. Alright, to install this is you get your screws. Just take one screw and you take two. Just put right here. And we'll be coming back by installing it. See what happens. Okay? Okay, one now. Now it's time to install the mounting bracket, which is here. You just turn the light on. Alright, here's a screw. Just screw it in here. Okay, but I cannot. Next, get another screw, but I will be screwing it into the wall. Let's be installing this. Okay, the thing. Just screw your screw. Once it's a little bit screwed in, we have to screw it in right here. Okay, there you go. Here it is. Now time to attach the mounting canopy. With the alarm. Let's see where it is. It says it's a 10-year sailed battery powered smoke alarm. With hush for repair or service, return to kiddie. I don't know what it is. The model number is i9010, and we're going to put it over here to be where the thing latches. See, you just snap it in right here. Okay. Hold on, I just attach it. Everyone's not even going. Working. Okay, it works. Just snap it on. Okay. Alright, there it is. See, here it is all installed. This is a smoke alarm we have installed here on the wall. And we also have a Gentex Commander 3 fire alarm, which is not part of our fire alarm system today. So, let me see how we test it. It might work. Okay. But it works. Now we'll go ahead and reset it. All system is reset. Alright, so that's how you install a kiddie smoke alarm. It's as similar as it's the exit sign. Similar as this smoke detector, but it's made from the Home Depot. And here's the exit sign where I connect to there. Because we're not gonna, the exit sign might be not testable right now, but I'm not gonna test it. Okay, let's lock the door.